wasn't really gonna do I wasn't really gonna do a video for you guys, but then I thought it would just be easier. I was thinking I wasn't gonna do one because it just it's pretty easy. Okay, but I do want to show you where they're getting their information. Basically, the whole lesson is about the fact that over recent years, well, they say recent, but 1995 isn't very recent, the cost of other goods goes up higher than clothes. A lot of times you don't see like a big increase in clothes, and actually, according to this thing, clothes decreased in price from 1994 to 1995, which is nice for those of us that like to buy clothes. We all need to. So this is how they get their examples. You're going to use, for the first section, you're going to use example 1 to answer your questions in the homework today. And for the second section, the table, you're going to use example 2. And then obviously for the word problems, you use a mixture of the both. It says in example 1, if Andrea bought a dress in 1995 for $90, what would she have paid for a similar dress in 1985 according to the graph? Okay, so what you do is you find the index for 1995, and then you go 90 over 132, because that's how much it was in 1995. Then you find the index for 1985, because that's the other annual that they're working with here. And then you're going to do a crisscross and multiply to do the ratio to find C, because it's 90 over the index of 1995, and then you're finding the cost of the index for the index correlating to 1985, which is 105. And you'll see that on the graph on the page before. Let me see if I can find it here so that I can show it to you. Right here. Okay. You go 1995 was 132. Okay, it's going to be the one on the left-hand side. And then 1985 was 105. So that's where you get your ratios. Okay. Go back. Hopefully, go back. I can't go back. Okay, let me get it back. Okay, for example 2, it says Mrs. Javort bought a suit for $200 at the beginning of 1994. If she had waited until the beginning of 1995 to buy the suit, what would the price have been according to the price change table? The price change table is this one up here. It says women's clothing went down by 4%. So all you're going to do is decrease $200 by 4%. You can do that a couple different ways. Remember, you can go 100% minus 4 is 96%. So you can go 200 times 0.96 and you're going to get 192. Or you can do 4%. So 200 times 4% is $8. So that means you have to decrease by $8. So 200 minus 8 is going to give you 192. So there's 2 ways to find the same answer. Okay? After that, like I said before, if I can get there, but I don't think I can. Sometimes it lets me, sometimes it doesn't. For the first section, use example 1 as your practice, as your guide. And for section number 2 of the table, use example 2. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you. Bye.